on this edition
of Must or Bust.
Must or Bust.
We're trying the new limited edition Lucky Charms, just the marshmallows. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's open this up. I haven't even seen it. I'm sure they're just as colorful as the packaging.
Okay, we're good.
And here we go. I'm just gonna show you guys just like this. Look at it. You'll see that? It's just the mellows in the bag.
It's confetti in a bag.
This, as a kid, this would have been a dream for me. So I'm going to do something that we've always wanted to do.
Stuck this one in my mouth.
Go ahead, eat it. Go ahead, try it. We're gonna pour milk right here. And you guys have to eat this whole bowl.
Okay.
Everybody grab a spoon. And let's taste this and see if it's a must or a bust. What in the world?
I'm going.
Now, what I would do with these is, I have no clue. Rice Krispie treats, I don't know.
When I was little, I used to just go through the whole bowl of Lucky Charms cereal and just
Scoop out the marshmallows.
scoop the marshmallows and just eat a spoonful of
Yes.
them and leave the oats.
Can y'all believe this?
Oh, it's so good. Let me have one more bite.
It's so sweet.
Yeah.
Now here's the cool thing. Here's what I thought about, y'all. What if I got a bowl of Frosted Flakes and I'm like, well, dudes, I want some mellows in my flakes. And then I could just add them, right?
Oh, most of like a topping.
Cheerios, Rice Krispie treats. No matter what kind of cereal, I can throw it in there. You like a fluffer nutter sandwich?
Huh?
Peanut butter?
What is his hand motion supposed to symbolize? He's like, is he churning butter? I don't know. What?
And marshmallows? Put it on there.
Interesting choice.
Then you just dump these on there. I'm telling y'all, you got some options here. You can sprinkle on. Ooh, s'mores? We got options. Maybe we can make some s'mores with these.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, some chalky s'mores.
That'd be kind of. It might be a thing, y'all. So you guys out there, comment below and say, yo, this is where I use this bag of Lucky Charms. By the way, this is kind of what, a 6-ounce bag? Costs just as much as a regular box of Lucky Charms. It was $3.64 for me. That's the family size box at my Walmart. This was just as much as a box of cereal. Is this a must or a bust? What do you think?
I think it's a must.
Must.
Because I always want to eat the marshmallows. Sometimes I eat those, but I love the marshmallows.
I don't know. What do you think?
I think it's a must.
Must.
It's a
But
must?
if I eat all these, my throat will probably hurt.
Yeah, I know.
Or I'll
It's
feel
so sweet. What?
Or I'll feel sick.
Or feel sick. So you kids out there watching this, I know Drew out there watches this. I know there's a bunch of other kids that watch this channel. What do you guys think about just the magical marshmallows? I give it a must too because I think it's cool and there's a lot of things you can do with it. I will not be eating bowls of marshmallows for breakfast. That is totally not cool. I'm looking through the ingredients. It's sugar. There is no vitamins. There is no calcium. There is nothing of healthy substance in these marshmallows. So that's why when you mix them with Lucky Charms, if you were to put them in Cheerios or Honey Bunches of Oats, what? Then you might have something working. You gotta mix it with something good, otherwise it's just a bowl of marshmallows. That's what we have here. Oh boy. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Thanks to these girls for joining me on the Showstopper Shows Must or Bust. All right, thank you guys for watching the Showstopper Shows. Thanks to these girls for joining me. May the force be with you. May his presence be with you always. Put a bow on the show, because
It's a wrap.
the show stops here. Never quit, y'all.